another video on my channel. Guys, I haven't vlogged in a long time, so I'm really excited about today's video and I hope you guys are going to like it as well. I am getting ready to leave the house, and when I leave work this afternoon, I am going to be doing my very first colored tattoo. I am super duper excited about it. I have a concept, I have a design that I found, something that I really love, and I'm really excited to get it done. I'm going to be doing 2 hummingbirds, and as I mentioned, it's going to be in full color. This tattoo for me is just, you know, a representation of the relationships in my life, the friendships, and, you know, just having people that are close to you and that you're close with, you know, your people, you know, we all fly with it. Get it? I'm really excited. I took some time and I found a great tattoo artist that I believe can really bring this vision to life. So today I will be going to Inkology's tattoo studio to get this tattoo done. I will be sure to leave their Instagram handle down in the description box below so you guys can check them out for yourselves. But I am really super duper excited. So I'm off to work, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me to get this one done. See you soon.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
It's a cinder at night, blasting playback in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at night and settle back down at sunrise. running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly, girly. Let's get girly, girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly, girly. Let's get girly, girly. Why does it hurt so bad? So bad to lose something I never had, never had. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Imagination wild like a child. Head and heart can't reconcile. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. I think I remember your skin on mine. I think I remember your laugh with mine. I think I remember that you were mine. I'm not sure. We were short, it's been long. Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing your song.
I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get to stay. Cause I gotta like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on.
I am so excited, guys. I am so excited to finally have my first colored tattoo. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. I love it so much. So pretty and so feminine and so me. Guys, I love it so much. I just want to say a big, huge, humongous shout out to Cordell of Guyssss Tattoo Trinidad in Guyssss Tattoos. I am so grateful. I love, love, love my new tattoo. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And guys, I'm just through the roof. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me for my brand new tattoo. There don't be more. I'm just being honest. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5 for me, and I'm so excited. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you liked it, and until the next time, namaste babies. Bye.
Gotta keep